Embarking on a journey to the gym can be both exciting and intimidating. Whether you're a newcomer or returning after a hiatus, having a structured plan in place can help you establish a consistent exercise routine and achieve your fitness goals. Here's a 10-step guide to help you start and maintain your gym routine. 1. Set clear goals. Before you step foot in the gym, take some time to define your fitness goals. Whether you aim to lose weight, build muscle, improve endurance, or simply enhance your overall health, setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals will provide you with direction and motivation. 2. Choose the right gym. Selecting a gym that aligns with your needs, preferences, and budget is essential for your long-term success. Consider factors such as location, hours of operation, available amenities, e.g. equipment, classes, personal training, and the overall atmosphere and culture of the gym. 3. Create a realistic schedule. Plan your workouts in advance and schedule them into your weekly calendar like any other appointment. Be realistic about the frequency and duration of your gym sessions, taking into account your other commitments and responsibilities. Aim for consistency rather than trying to do too much too soon. 4. Start slow and gradual. If you're new to exercise or returning after a break, it's important to start slow and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Begin with shorter sessions and lower weights, focusing on mastering proper form and technique before progressing to more challenging exercises. 5. Focus on compound movements. Incorporate compound exercises into your workouts as they target multiple muscle groups simultaneously and provide maximum bang for your buck. Examples of compound movements include squats, deadlifts, lunges, push-ups, rows, and overhead presses. These exercises are effective for building strength, improving muscle balance, and enhancing overall functional fitness. 6. Mix cardio and strength training. Balance your workout routine by incorporating both cardiovascular and strength training exercises. Cardiovascular activities such as running, cycling, swimming, or using the elliptical machine improve heart health, burn calories, and boost endurance, while strength training builds muscle, increases metabolism, and enhances bone density. 7. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to exercise and adjust your workouts accordingly. It's normal to experience muscle soreness and fatigue, especially when starting a new exercise program. But listen to your body's signals and avoid pushing yourself to the point of injury or burnout. Rest and recovery are equally important as training itself. 8. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to seeing results and making progress toward your fitness goals. Commit to showing up at the gym regularly, even on days when you don't feel like it. Remember that every workout, no matter how short or low intensity, brings you one step closer to your objectives. 9. Track your progress. Keep track of your workouts, progress, and achievements to stay motivated and accountable. Whether you use a fitness journal, mobile app, or wearable activity tracker, logging your workouts, setting milestones, and celebrating your successes will help you stay on track and monitor your improvement over time. 10. Stay flexible and adapt. Be flexible and willing to adapt your workout routine as needed based on your changing goals, preferences, and circumstances. Don't be afraid to experiment with different exercises, equipment, or workout formats to keep things interesting and prevent boredom or plateaus. By following these 10 steps, you'll be well equipped to start and maintain a successful gym routine that supports your health, fitness, and overall well-being. Remember that consistency, patience, and perseverance are the keys to long-term success. So stay focused, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey toward a stronger, healthier you.